Just throw lemon peels in the toilet and you won't believe what happens next. When I discovered this, I never cleaned my bathroom the same way again. The transformation is impressive, and I'm sure you'll want to test it today. This simple trick can leave your bathroom fresher, brighter, and smelling incredible. To begin, you'll need 3 lemons. Yes, lemons. Cut them in half and squeeze out all the juice. You can save the juice for something else because for this tip, we only need the peels. The peels are where the real power is. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now grab a blender and add all the lemon peels inside. I'm using the peels from about 5 lemons to make the effect even stronger. Then pour in half a liter of room temperature water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of table salt. Any salt works. Regular salt is perfectly fine. This step helps intensify the cleaning action of the mixture. Now, cover the blender and blend until the peels are completely crushed. Lemon peels are natural cleaning agents. Their citric acid is known for breaking down grime and helping disinfect surfaces. Once everything is blended well, strain the liquid using a fine strainer. What you're left with is the powerful solution. If you've never used lemon peels for cleaning, you're seriously missing out. They don't just clean. They help neutralize odors and leave behind a natural citrus freshness. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. For an even stronger effect, I like to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This step is optional, but it gives the solution an extra boost. Now transfer the liquid into a practical container. I'm using an empty dish soap bottle for easier application, but any bottle will work. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd really like to know what you think. Close the bottle tightly and your homemade cleaner is ready. Now let's test it. Look at those toilet stains. Some of them seem impossible to remove. First, sprinkle a small amount of baking soda over the stained areas. Baking soda is known for helping lift dirt and neutralize odors. Then pour your lemon solution directly into the toilet bowl. Watch the fizzing reaction. The combination of lemon and baking soda creates a bubbling effect that helps loosen, build up, and grime. Scrub gently with a toilet brush. You'll see the stains fade much easier than expected. No aggressive scrubbing, no expensive chemicals. Just a simple natural solution. And it doesn't stop there. This mixture can also be used on sinks, countertops, bathtubs, and even certain kitchen surfaces. It's practical, affordable, and surprisingly effective. If you have a similar cleaning hack, share it in the comments. Don't forget to follow for more easy home solutions. And share this with someone who needs a smarter way to clean. Before ending this video, I want to share a bonus tip with you. An extra cleaning trick that can make even a heavily burnt black utensil look clean and shiny again. As you can see, this utensil is completely black from the bottom. It has a thick layer of burnt grease and stains that normal washing cannot remove easily. Many people think once a pan becomes this black, it can never look good again. But that's not true. Apply this liquid directly on the black surface of the utensil. Make sure the surface is dry so the liquid sticks properly. After applying, leave it for about 2 minutes. During this time, the mixture starts breaking down the burnt grease and stubborn carbon layer. The baking soda helps loosen the dirt, while the liquid soap softens the grease. This makes the cleaning process much easier without using strong chemicals or damaging the utensil. Take a normal sponge and start scrubbing gently in circular motions. You don't need to apply too much pressure. Just keep scrubbing evenly. You can already see the black layer coming off slowly. Continue scrubbing for a minute until the surface looks clean. Finally, rinse the utensil with water. And look at the result. The utensil that was completely black now looks clean, shiny, and almost like new again. The shine comes back, and all the stubborn stains are removed easily. So this was today's bonus cleaning tip. Try it at home and see the amazing results yourself. If you have a similar cleaning hack, share it in the comments. Don't forget to follow for more easy home solutions. And share this with someone who needs a smarter way to clean. See you in the next video.